Hey everyone, welcome to Alpha Insights. I'm Marcus, and we're glad you're tuning in.
And I'm Jeff. We've got a quick look at a wild move from the small cap world heading into the long weekend. And hey, if you have questions while you're listening, drop them at stockalpha.ai.
So here's the headline in plain English. The penny stock Annaw surged about 97.5% to 73 cents as of Friday, March 20th, and it traded about 1.86 million shares that session.
Right, and that put Annaw among the top gainers on Friday. Important to say up front, U.S. markets are closed right now. So that's the last official trading snapshot we have until markets reopen on Monday, March 23rd.
Exactly. So this was one of those big percentage moves you see in low-priced, high-volatility names. Momentum traders spotted it, scanners lit up, and volume spiked compared to what this name usually sees.
And volume matters here. 1.86 million shares is a lot for a name like this. It signals heightened interest, but it's also a reminder that liquidity can shift dramatically when the tape opens again.
Yeah, that's a good point. The immediate implication is simple. A near 100% one-day jump creates short-term momentum, but it also raises volatility risk.
Which leads to two different playbooks. Momentum traders might expect continuation if buyers stay aggressive. Other traders expect a quick reversal or a volatile chop session as traders take profits or some sellers re-enter.
And to add to that, because people always ask, the absolute price matters. 73 cents means position sizing and risk management look very different than for a large cap stock. Small price swings are big percentage swings here.
Right, so saying it another way, this kind of move can be exciting, but it also amplifies risk. Analysts note the spike, and they usually tell you to check company filings or announcements to understand what's driving the move before drawing conclusions.
Exactly. Was there a press release? An SEC filing? Social chatter can fuel the rise, but fundamental confirmation matters if you're trying to make sense of sustainability.
And remember, Friday's status as a top gainer puts Annaw on momentum scanners, so it becomes a self-reinforcing story for a while. That can lead to follow-through when markets open. Or it can mean a quick fade if the buyers disappear.
Honestly, I was a bit surprised by this one. These rallies in penny names can happen fast, and then unwind just as fast.
Two practical things to watch when the market reopens on Monday. Price behavior at the open and whether volume holds up. If both are strong, momentum often continues. If price gaps down on lower volume, that can be a sign of fading interest.
And again, we are not giving investment advice. This is informational. Data suggests higher risk in low-price stocks, and analysts recommend verifying any official filings or announcements before acting.
Short reactions. Interesting. Risky. Keep an eye on liquidity.
Right. For listeners who trade momentum, this is the sort of name you might put on a watch list heading into Monday. For investors focused on fundamentals, a single day like Friday rarely changes the long-term picture.
So how to frame it? Think of the 97.5% pop as a market signal, not proof of a new business reality. It tells you traders are paying attention, and that attention can persist or evaporate quickly.
Short and sweet. Check the filings, watch the open on Monday, and be mindful of position sizing, because at 73 cents, tiny moves equal big percentages.
And also check for news flow or regulatory updates over the weekend. Sometimes the catalyst is obvious, sometimes it isn't.
Okay, quick summary together.
1. Annaw jumped about 97.5% to 73 cents as of Friday, March 20th, with about 1.86 million shares traded.
2. That move signals short-term momentum, but also higher volatility and liquidity risk for a penny stock.
3. Watch price and volume when markets reopen on Monday, March 23rd, and verify any filings or announcements before drawing conclusions. This is informational only.
Got questions? We'd love to hear from you. Head over to stockalpha.ai, where you can ask us anything and we'll answer live. And while you're there, check out more market content.
Thanks for listening to Alpha Insights. See you Monday when the markets reopen.